Are you tired of overcooked hockey pucks disguised as burgers? We've all been there, right? You're excited for a juicy, flavorful burger, but instead you end up with a dry, tasteless patty that's more akin to a hockey puck than a delicious meal. It's a common problem, but don't worry, we're here to help you master the art of cooking the perfect burger no matter how you like it cooked. Today we're mastering the burger from rare to well done. Whether you prefer your burger to be a juicy, pink, rare, or a thoroughly cooked well done, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can achieve the perfect level of doneness every time. First up, the meat, 80% lean, 20% fat. This ratio is crucial for achieving that perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. The fat content in the meat is what gives the burger its rich, succulent taste, so don't skimp on it. When you're at the butcher or the grocery store, look for ground beef that has this ideal ratio. Trust me, fat is your friend. It's what makes the burger juicy and flavorful. Without enough fat, your burger will end up dry and crumbly. So embrace the fat and let it work its magic in your burger. Shape those patties gently like you're holding a baby chick. You don't want to overwork the meat, as this can make the burger tough. Gently form the patties with your hands, being careful not to compress the meat too much. Aim for a patty that's about 3/4 of an inch thick. Season with salt and pepper. Don't get fancy. Sometimes the simplest seasonings are the best. A good sprinkle of salt and pepper is all you need to enhance the natural flavors of the meat. If you want to add a little extra flavor, you can mix in some garlic powder or onion powder, but keep it simple. Grill or pan, get it hot. Whether you're cooking your burger on a grill or in a pan, it's important to get it nice and hot before you start cooking. This will help to sear the outside of the burger, locking in the juices and creating a delicious crust. And here's your cooking cheat sheet. Knowing how long to cook your burger is key to achieving the perfect level of doneness. Here's a handy guide to help you out. Rare, 2-3 minutes per side. Medium rare, 3 to 4 minutes. Medium, 4-5 minutes. Medium well, 5 to 6 minutes. Well done, 6 to 7 minutes. These times are just guidelines, so be sure to keep an eye on your burger as it cooks. The exact cooking time will depend on the thickness of the patty and the heat of your grill or pan. Pro tip: use a meat thermometer for precision. A meat thermometer is a great tool to have in your kitchen. It takes the guesswork out of cooking and ensures that your burger is cooked to the perfect temperature. For a rare burger, aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium well, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, and for well done, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cheese lovers, add that slice in the last minute. Toast those buns, game changer. If you love cheese on your burger, add it during the last minute of cooking. This will give it just enough time to melt and become gooey without overcooking the burger. And don't forget to toast your buns. A toasted bun adds a nice crunch and helps to hold up to all the delicious toppings you're going to add. Top it off with your favorite fixings and you've got burger magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now that you've mastered the art of cooking the perfect burger, it's time to get creative with your toppings. Whether you prefer classic lettuce, tomato, and onion, or something more adventurous like avocado, bacon, or a fried egg, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, build your perfect burger, and enjoy every delicious bite. Let's talk toppings. The right toppings can take your burger to the next level. Classic options like lettuce, tomato, and onion are always a hit, but don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding avocado for a creamy texture or bacon for a smoky crunch. And don't forget the sauces. Ketchup, mustard, mayo, and BBQ sauce are all great choices, but you can also experiment with more unique options like sriracha, aioli, or even a fried egg. Cheese, glorious cheese. There are so many different types of cheese you can use to top your burger. Cheddar, Swiss, and American are classic choices, but don't be afraid to branch out. Try blue cheese for a bold flavor or pepper jack for a bit of spice. And remember, add the cheese during the last minute of cooking so it has time to melt perfectly. Toasting the buns is a game changer. It adds a nice crunch and helps to hold up to all the delicious toppings you're going to add. Simply place the buns on the grill or in the pan for a minute or two until they're golden brown and crispy. Now it's time to assemble your burger. Start with the bottom bun, then add your patty, cheese, and toppings. Be sure to layer your toppings in a way that distributes the flavors evenly. For example, place the lettuce and tomato on top of the patty to keep them from getting soggy, and add the sauces last so they don't make the bun too wet. And there you have it, the perfect burger. Take a bite and savor all the delicious flavors and textures. There's nothing quite like a perfectly cooked burger with all your favorite toppings. Enjoy. There are so many different styles of burgers you can try. From classic American cheeseburgers to gourmet burgers with unique toppings, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own perfect combination. Burgers are a great option for any occasion, whether you're grilling at a barbecue with friends or cooking a quick weeknight dinner. They're easy to make, customizable, and always a crowd pleaser. Fresh ingredients are key to a great burger. Use the freshest vegetables and highest quality condiments you can find. This will make a big difference in the flavor and overall quality of your burger. Don't forget about the bun. The type of bun you use can make a big difference in the overall taste and texture of your burger. Classic options like sesame seed buns and brioche buns are always a hit, but you can also try something different like a pretzel bun or a ciabatta roll. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you enjoy your burger, whether you like it rare or well done, with classic toppings or something more adventurous. The perfect burger is the one that makes you happy. So, go ahead, get cooking, and enjoy every delicious bite. Experiment with different seasonings. While salt and pepper are classic, you can also try adding spices like smoked paprika, cumin, or even a dash of Worcestershire sauce to your patties for an extra kick of flavor. Consider using a cast iron skillet. It retains heat well and can give your burger a beautiful, even sear. Plus, it's perfect for cooking indoors if you don't have access to a grill. Let your burgers rest. Just like with steak, letting your burgers rest for a few minutes after cooking allows the juices to redistribute, making for a juicier bite. Check for doneness by slicing into the burger. If you don't have a meat thermometer, you can also check the doneness by slicing into the burger and looking at the color of the meat. Remember, a little practice goes a long way in perfecting your technique. Prep your toppings in advance. Having all your toppings ready to go before you start cooking will make the assembly process smoother and ensure that your burger is hot and fresh when you're ready to eat. Butter your buns before toasting. A light spread of butter on your buns before toasting can add an extra layer of flavor and help achieve that perfect golden brown crust. Try adding a fried egg. For an extra indulgent burger, top it with a fried egg. The runny yolk adds a rich, creamy texture that pairs perfectly with the savory beef. Enjoy your burger with friends and family. Burgers are a social food, perfect for sharing with loved ones. So fire up the grill, gather your favorite people, and enjoy the fruits of your labor together. Don't forget the sauces. A great sauce can elevate your burger to new heights. Try making your own special sauce by mixing mayo, ketchup, mustard, and a dash of pickle juice. There's something special about grilling at sunset. The ambiance adds to the experience, making your burger night even more memorable. So take your time, enjoy the process, and savor every moment. Caramelized onions are a game changer. Slowly cook onions in a bit of butter until they're golden brown and sweet. They add a depth of flavor that's hard to beat. Don't forget the pickles. A few slices of pickles can add a nice tangy crunch to your burger, balancing out the richness of the meat and cheese. Mix and match your toppings. Don't be afraid to get creative and try different combinations of toppings. You might just discover a new favorite. Pair your burger with a cold drink. Whether it's a classic soda, a refreshing iced tea, or a cold beer, the right drink can complement your burger perfectly. Crispy bacon is always a good idea. Add a few strips of crispy bacon to your burger for an extra layer of flavor and crunch. Grilling with a view. If you have the chance, take your grilling to a scenic location. The beautiful surroundings will make your burger experience even more enjoyable. Spice it up with jalapenos. If you like a bit of heat, add some sliced jalapenos to your burger. They'll give it a nice kick without overpowering the other flavors. At the end of the day, the perfect burger is the one that makes you happy. So go ahead, get cooking, and enjoy every delicious bite. Happy grilling!